Hello everyone, welcome to Vector Labs FZE LLC. Now we are starting our tutorial series on Flutter app development. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a login sign up page divided into two parts. Login page in this video and sign up page in our next video. So let's start our login page tutorial. First open PowerShell, select your location and create login sign up page folder. Go to VS Code and open folder. From files, go to library, go to main dot and delete extra material. Rename it material app and add some important things. Create new file login.dart. Select root login and the next register. Go to login.dart and select stateful widget. Rename some things my login and delete extra material. Add widget. Build context. Add a container. Decoration and box decoration. For our login page image, select its root, asset image and assets login.png. Put it on the screen. I have downloaded them from Canva. You can also use them by importing from GitHub. Go to login and add child scaffold. Select background color, transparent. Add body stack. Make children. Add container and padding. Select their values from top and left. Make a child text. Rename welcome. Select its color, white. You can choose any one color and font size. Add single child scroll view, add container and padding. Select values from top and right and left. Make a child column, add children, text, field. Add decoration, input decoration and fill color. You can also change its color depending on your choice and add bool true field. Add hint text, email and select border radius 10. Add size box which can differentiate it from password box. Copy paste the text field and change the name, password. Obscure text so that it can be hidden. Add another sized box. Add a row. Add text, sign in. Select its color. I have chose blue. You can change its color. And font size 40. Add font weight 700. Add circle avatar. Select its radius and background color. Add icon button. On pressed, it will give no function. Add icon, arrow forward. Add size box. It will separate it from sign up. Add row, text button. On pressed, navigator. Dot push named. Add context, register. Add parentheses. Now select text, sign up. Add underline and select font size 20 and color white. Add a color to icon button. Now add text button, forgot password. Select its font size and color and add a underline. I have selected red color for it. You can choose any one color depending on your choice. So our login page has been created and it's showing some problems. We will solve them in our next video and create our registered page. So like and subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get our next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.